Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of academia. In today's video, we will discuss tips and tricks for writing an outstanding dissertation literature review. The literature review is a critical part of your dissertation, and crafting an exceptional one can elevate the quality and impact of your research. So let's dive into these valuable tips and tricks. Tip 1. Start early and plan ahead. One of the most important tips for an outstanding literature review is to start early and plan ahead. Don't leave the literature review as the last task in your dissertation journey. Begin your literature search and review process early on. This allows you to gather relevant sources, identify gaps in the literature, and refine your research questions as needed. Starting early gives you ample time to explore a wide range of sources and develop a comprehensive review. Tip 2. Be thorough in your literature search. Being thorough in your literature search is crucial for an outstanding literature review. Explore a wide range of databases, academic journals, books, and reputable online sources to capture a diverse array of perspectives and studies related to your topic. Don't rely solely on a few familiar sources. Cast a wide net to ensure a comprehensive review. This will help you gain a deep understanding of the existing research and its relevance to your study. Tip 3. Organize thematically. Organizing your literature review thematically rather than chronologically is a trick that can greatly enhance the impact of your review. Group similar studies based on themes, concepts, or research approaches. This approach allows for a more coherent and structured presentation of the literature. Organizing thematically also enables you to identify patterns and trends across studies, making your review more insightful and impactful. Tip 4. Synthesize and analyze the findings. An outstanding literature review goes beyond summarizing individual studies. Synthesize and analyze the findings of the research you reviewed. Compare and contrast different studies, identify consensus or disagreements, and draw connections between them. The synthesis adds depth to your review and showcases your critical thinking skills. Analyzing the findings allows you to present a cohesive and well-supported narrative in your literature review. Tip 5. Identify gaps in the literature. Identifying gaps in the existing literature is a valuable trick to make your literature review outstanding. Highlight areas where further research is needed or where inconsistencies and contradictions persist. By identifying these gaps, you demonstrate the significance of your study and how it contributes to filling those voids. This shows that your research is not only a reiteration of existing work, but adds new insights to the field. Congratulations! You now have 5 tips and tricks for writing an outstanding dissertation literature review. Start early and plan ahead. Be thorough in your literature search, organize thematically, synthesize and analyze the findings, and identify gaps in the literature. By implementing these strategies, you can create a literature review that stands out and adds significant value to your dissertation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.